Hello guys, welcome back. This is the XIAOMI Mi A2 and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. Start by opening settings from the home screen. Choose About Phone, scroll down and tap on build number several times until you see you are now a developer. Go back to the previous menu, scroll to the bottom, choose System, and you'll find developer options. Tap on it, and here you can use various developer features. You can enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. You can also use bug report shortcuts and other developer tools. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.